Hi, welcome. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And what says I love you more than some beautiful Swarovski crystal hearts? Oh, so easy to make these beautiful earrings. All you need are the Swarovski crystal hearts. These are light cyan. And then this silver-plated ice pick bail and this silver-plated ear wire. Watch this. First of all, take that beautiful heart, take that beautiful bail, and you can see it's got little ice picks on the inside. That's going to go through the whole of the heart. So you can just use your fingers on this. Just open that up a little bit so that the heart can go in. Pop those little ice picks through the two holes and squeeze it shut. And you can just use your fingers if you want. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Gorgeous and glamorous. Next, you're going to want to grab the ear wire. Treating it just like it were a jump ring, you're going to twist open the loop on the ear wire. Pop on the ice pick bail. Close it just like you would a jump ring. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous that is for your family, your friends, or your loved one. Make bunches and have a happy Valentine's Day.